Hi guys, how are you today? And today guys, we're gonna unbox my Christmas presents. So this is my Christmas presents. It's a sewing machine. So we will start with it's already open, guys. It's already open because I just took out the receipt. So anyway, let's begin. Let's begin. So always comes with a foam. I'll just use this as a rubbish bin. Actually, this is heavy. So it comes with a cord, a pretty long cord. See, this is like maybe 2 meters. 2 meters cord. One. Oh, look at that. I don't even know how to open this. It's heavy, right? Hope I won't break it. Oh my god. Maybe. So this is like a platform where you can put it in there and then you can sew. It's also got some numbers or a ruler or something in here. So that's how it looks like, and it's got a stand. It's got 4 stands. So it goes like that and you just slide it over. Well, this is the cover. This is the cover inside, and then you can put it over the top. Now, I hope I didn't break it. Oh my god. Hallelujah, what's inside? So that is all in the box. Warranty or manual. And that's it. So I show you closely what is in here. It's got the manual, and it's got the warranty as well. This one, it's got it actually has like you can imprint alphabets on it, so like you can write names, letters and everything. So it's got the same one like that. It's got product warranty. Warranty card. The manual. Oh, pity it's not colored. So all the instructions are there. It's a pretty thick book. And this is the foot pedal. Foot controller. Also comes with a foot controller. So it comes with this one. So So it comes with a lot of like spare parts. That one, I don't know what are these things, but I'll figure out. Oh, there. So yeah, it's got a lot of spare parts. There, it actually has 1, 2, and these are metals, guys. This one's metal. That one's a metal. So that is all the accessories that comes with. So that's how it looks like, guys. It comes with needles. That's how it looks like in there. This one can come off, I think. Yep, it can come off. Oh, a little. It's got some. There's a battery there somewhere. That's how it is. Controls there. And let's try and put it on. So this is the side. It's the top. And the back looks like that. Turning on. So that is the screen. So that's how it looks like. That's the digital display. So you can choose modes in there. It's cutting. This one for here, you put it up and down, and that's the type of stitches that you want. So yeah, that is how it looks like. Bernette, I don't know how you pronounce this, but that's the one. So these are the features of this. 394 stitches, drop-in hook, workspace. That's actually the workspace, the one before. Sewing light, thread cutter, needle threader, extension cable, hard case. And that is what it looks like in the back. And it's model B38. And that is the front. So guys, I'm happy with my new sewing machine. So next time, stay tuned because we're gonna try it out and we will try sewing something. So thank you guys for watching and bye. Don't forget to subscribe. So this is Bernette B38. So this is it has a digital display. So that's it, guys, the unboxing of our machine. Thanks guys, bye. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya, bye.